but the kid is just being confident. He's just confident about his abilities, right? But in the system, or some people in the system would misinterpret that as, oh, he's being cocky, he's being disrespectful. No, he's just being confident. he, a lot of people say, oh, he's got a chip on his shoulder. Yes, you need that in any field, any competitive field. If you need to be successful, you definitely need a lot of confidence, and you need that chip on your shoulder. And that can be interpreted as, like I said, an attitude problem or being cocky. Well, that's fine, but that is something that at time, I mean, I encourage when people say, oh, জানিস তো ও এটা করেছে, বেশ করেছে ও গাড়ি কিনেছে ডায়মন্ডে। আই সেড, হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ।
20 বছর বয়সে, 21 বছর বয়সে যদি আমার কাছে 2 কোটি টাকা থাকতো, আমিও তাই করতাম।
হুম।
চান্সেস আর তুমিও তাই করতে। No, let's not relate us being a 40 plus, I'm 48, what I would do with 2 CR of money with a 21-year-old, what he would do with 2 CR of money. So I mean, that those things need to change. Yes, I mean, money is part of the sport now. People will make money, and the more successful you are, the more money you're going to make, right? Rather than saying, oh, সোনার চেন পরে ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছিল, জানিস তো একটা বড় গাড়ি কিনেছে। আরে, hell yeah. I mean, if I'm making that kind of money, even at 48, I'm going to do that. So, so I mean, that goes without saying. So, I mean, those things, yes,